Hello guys, this is the penthouse. The penthouse in Versalles, B252. They are finishing the penthouse and it's going to be available in February 15. This is the laundry area. This will be the kitchen, living and dining room. You can see a wrapped around terrace that goes from the living room, dining room, and all the way to both bedrooms are master bedrooms. I will show you why. This is the master bedroom. Look at the view that you have. Look at the window here. This is a large bathroom with walk-in closet. And this will be the second master bedroom. Here you have some closet space. This is the view, another huge window. Look at the size of the bathroom. And right below are the common areas.